Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jira components versus epics versus labels. We'll dive into the distinct purposes of each, helping you understand how these powerful features organize and track your work effectively. You'll learn best practices for leveraging them to streamline your project management, ensuring clarity and efficiency across your teams. Get ready to master these essential Jira tools for better project organization. Jira components represent logical groupings of a project's codebase or functionality. Think of them as categories for specific parts of your system, like user interface or database. They help categorize issues by the affected area, making reporting and team ownership much clearer. A single issue can even belong to multiple components, offering flexible organization for complex projects and improving traceability significantly. Epics are large bodies of work, representing significant features or initiatives that often span multiple sprints. They act as containers for smaller stories or tasks, providing a high-level view of progress for major deliverables. For instance, a new product launch could be an epic. Importantly, an issue can only be linked to one epic at a time, ensuring a clear hierarchy and focused tracking of major efforts. Labels are incredibly flexible tags you use to categorize issues with custom keywords. Unlike components or epics, they offer an ad hoc way to group issues across various projects or even different components. Labels are highly versatile for filtering, searching, and generating custom reports. An issue can have multiple labels, providing granular categorization and allowing for diverse ways to organize and retrieve information quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.